Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing well and being safe. If you've seen my previous videos, more than likely you've seen this jar. I actually used the top from this jar, and I said in the video I'd find a DIY for it. So I decided, even though it has these ridges, I decided to try and put some crushed glass on it to see what it looks like. I think it'll be a really beautiful candle holder and vase, so let's give it a try. I'm wearing my black gloves because I'll be working with crushed glass again. I'll be using some Mod Podge and some crushed glass to add it to this container. I think I have crushed glass. And guys, I do have this crushed glass in like a lavender color, so if you'd like to see a DIY with the lavender crushed glass, comment below. I have my Mod Podge and my cup. I have a foam brush. Now I'll brush some Mod Podge into my container and then add some crushed glass to it. And at the end, I'm going to add some crushed glass on the very top as well. I'll finish adding the Mod Podge and crushed glass on off camera, let that dry, come back and let you see what it looks like. Alright, so the first layer has completely dried and you can see that there are some open spaces. So I'll just continue to add more Mod Podge and crushed glass into those spaces. Now I'll use a smaller paintbrush to get into those really small spaces. Now I'll decorate the top. Alright, so now I'll put this aside to dry and then come back and move on to the next step. It's about 4 hours later and it's completely dry. Now I'm going to seal it because I don't want to lose any of my crushed glass. Now I could seal it with more of this liquid Mod Podge, but I'm going to use the spray Mod Podge instead because it's my preference. Okay, so I sealed my vase and it's completely dry. Now it's time to decorate it with some ribbon. And here's some Dollar Tree ribbon that I found that I really like. But I'm not going to decorate with it today. Instead, I'll use this other roll that I found at Dollar Tree as well. As you can see, it's white with a shiny silver strip right down the middle. So all I do next is measure, cut it, and tie it into a bow. And just like that, it's done. And now instead of adding candles, let's add some string lights to give it a different look. I'll be using these string lights that I picked up from Amazon, but you can use the ones from Dollar Tree as well. Now I'll loosely wrap the wire around my hand and then put it inside the vase. I really like the look that the lights give the candle holder. It gives a more sparkly, bright glam look. Now if you're in the mood for a more warm, romantic look, then I would suggest using candles. Okay, so next I'll cut these flowers and then put them inside the vase. And as you can see, it says bouquet. I think they're carnations. I'm not really sure because I'm not really good with flowers. You can use the same flowers or the ones of your choice. Okay, and that's all it is to it. It turned out really beautiful. Now, I like the idea of changing the ribbon and the flowers for different occasions, different seasons. You can even change up the color of the ribbon and the flowers to make it match different rooms in your home. And don't forget, it can also be used as a candle holder. And I actually have 3. So I'm going to put all 3 on display and let you see what they look like. And here's all 3 lit up with the string lights and used as vases on display on my coffee table. And like I mentioned earlier, I like the idea of being able to change the color of the flowers and the ribbon to give it a different look. Now to use these as candle holders, you simply add candles. Now I'm using these for demonstration purposes only. I prefer using those soy candles. They come in those little glass bowl tips from Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a pack. With those, you don't have to worry about melted wax on the bottom of your jar. And don't forget, you can also use LED candles. And as you can see, the candles give it a more warm, inviting look. I think they give off a glow that'll set the mood for a romantic evening. Okay, creative family members, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It's absolutely free. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss my next upload. And please don't forget to comment your favorite look below. I'd really like to hear about it. Alright everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.